Hey guys, it's Little Jelly, and today we are going to explore this map that I'm on. It's like some kind of like mansion house, so we're going to explore it today. So let's do this. You guys hear that song? It's just on TV. Oh, horses are here. Oh, these horses are cute. Hi, horsey. Oh, it's so cute. What are the creepers like? Oh my god, you look so weird. Iron sword. I don't even know why I got an iron sword. Okay. If you guys are asking why it looks like this, it's because, did I just open the gate? Okay, I didn't. It's because I have a texture pack that makes everything look weird. So let's look at this mansion. Ooh. Nothing in there. I guess there's nothing in these chests. Oh my gosh. This is a dream. So what is this one? It's the door. This is cute. What's in there? It's a doggy house. Oh, look at the little puppy. Come on. You're my new puppy. Come on. Come on, puppy. Let's go. Oh, he's teleporting. Okay. Is that a girl or boy? I think it's a boy. Wait, what's the name of it? Cool. Come on, doggy. Let's see. What does this say? Let's see. Okay, this is some Spanish stuff. What's the button? What's the button for? I'm scared to click it. This is stuff. Guess this is okay. Oh, it's beautiful. Come on, doggy. What is that for? Oh, they turned off the light.
But since he's not going to do that, I'll hook you up. Oh, that's nice, PJ.
Sorry, doggy. Come on.
Don't sound too excited. I'm excited. I just want my man to act right. That's all. You can always find a new one at the Mega Fest. Just let me know what station feels your pain.
Okay.
109.1.
It's beautiful in here and cake in there. Hold on, I'm gonna do something real fast. Because I don't like what I do. Take to survival. Okay, because I never did survival in my games. So today's the day. Hopefully nothing sneaks up on me. Except my dog. Or somebody else's dog. Stay away. Stay away. Get attacked that. Attack the spider. It's laggy. It's laggy. Stop killing me. That is why I do not like survival. Okay, I'm gonna need food. Do I have food? I do. It's not for you, dog. It's for me. Oh, I am healing up. Oh my god, that was so scary. I thought I was gonna die. Okay, what is this thing? On, off. Oh. What's on and off? Oh! Close it, close it, close it, close it. That was so scary. There's a picture. What's in here? It's scary. I feel like it's a trap. Oh! Ooh, weapon. What's in here?
Now, you would think your insurance company would cut you some slack, right?
No, your insurance rates go through the roof.
These are armor. Oh, I like the armor I had on. So pretty. guess nothing's here. Oh, it's pretty over there. I'm just about to do something because I don't like it like this. Because a spider just freaking tried to kill me. And everything. Oh my god, what's this? A pig? What is a pig? Oh my god, it looks so weird. Attack the pig, dog. Attack the pig. Get the pig. Get the pig. Get the pig. Good dog. I'm gonna get a horse. I want a horse. Gonna need a golden carrot. Like, they look so weird in this. Which one is horse? Which one's horse? Oh, how did I know? The baby one. Get out of here, baby. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I have to do this. This is so sad for this little baby one. I'm sorry. Where'd he go? Doggy attack. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Attack. Oh, I feel so bad for it. I'm sorry. I have to. Let's get another horse. Don't be a baby. Okay, good. It's not a baby. Ride. Come here, sucker. Yeah, sucker. Gotta let me have you. Now let me ride you. I got a horse after all. Got a horse after all. My horse. Let's go. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Come on, doggy. Let's go downstairs. Whee! And a horse. Okay, let's try to get out the door. It's gonna be hard. I can't get through. See, do they have another way out? Just riding a horse in someone's house. That weird. Oh, wait, is that an Benjamin picture? Oh my god.
Let me read the fine print.
Oh, what is that? I think that's for a dog. Is that? What is that? Oh.
So grown up. So ready to take on the world.
Oh, that's so
I thought I
weird.
was finished raising my baby. Turns out. I'm
Come on, what
starting
did you
all over.
find?
Though rare,
Oh my god,
meningitis
this is so
can destroy
creepy.
lives.
What
In
is
less than
this?
24 hours, it can cause brain damage, lost limbs,
Wait, is this a
even
way
death.
out?
Even if your child already got a meningitis shot, teens need a second
Yep, this is the
vaccination
way
as
out.
early as age 16.
Just gotta
Still
jump.
your babies. Give them a
Oh
second
no, this
shot
is
to
gonna
help keep
hurt.
them protected.
I'm sorry. I hope there's more water.
Sailing clearance event. It's the biggest inventory blowout
Oh,
of
I'm
the summer.
sorry.
Needless to say, save up to 70% on a huge selection of styles or pay no interest for 5 years or smart buys
La
starting at
la
just
la la
$2.95.
la
Ashley
la.
Home.